Was it hard to put the brakes on, Uncle? I have compiled various car accident footage for you. I will watch each one and comment briefly, good sailor. Uncontrollably leaving the side road, causing an accident. We must always be careful. Again an accident because a careless driver left the side road uncontrolled. Although drivers are careful in snowy and cold weather, accidents are inevitable. This guy's so distracted, he's diving into the roadworks. Strange things are happening in this caught-on-camera incident. The importance of keeping following distance, especially in rainy weather.
So to open it, you've got this pull tab down here at the bottom. So all you have to do is pull this, and the neck brace will essentially just open itself. So very easy to open. I'm a big fan of that, and especially if a rider does have a crash, you need to get the neck brace off. You this pull tab down here at the bottom. So all you have to do is pull this, and the neck brace will essentially just open itself. So very.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
A driver out of control is reflected on another driver's camera. Oh my god, what happened to this vehicle? I couldn't figure it out. If anyone has an idea, please comment. Was it hard to put the brakes on, Uncle? This large group of people who overdose on fun find themselves in muddy water.
真咗。
盲啊！我個死硬喎，
死撚硬，
係咪打電話？
即係直撞埋去喎。
In 1.5 miles, use the right two lanes to take exit 20 for I-80.
Oh my god! Fucking idiot, bro.
Where's this car coming from? Dude, it's like a car falling out of the sky.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example.
Sister, can you look in front of you, please?
35-year-old white woman who
Another interesting drive. Really incredible. The most challenging process for beginners to learn to maneuver. Another tragic accident.
Is everything correct? Okay. Done alright? Boom! Jeez! Licked it clean off. What a fool. The bus driver. Oh my days.
This accident is like a film scene. I got scared watching it. For the continuation of such videos, you can only support me by subscribing. I hope you understand how careful we need to be on the roads while watching.